how to remove age restriction on YouTube app. So if you want to remove the age restriction on YouTube app, then first you need to open up your YouTube application and go with the profile which is on the bottom right. Once you're here on the profile, now go with your Google account, tap on Google account, and under that go with personal info. Scroll down and here you will have your birthday, right? So if you're not above the age of 18, then you will have the account restriction or age restriction, right? So what you need to do is simply change your date of birth. But if you're not being able to change the date of birth, then you can simply go back and then open up your YouTube and go with the profile again, which is on the bottom right. Go with settings, which is on the upper right. Go with general. Once you choose general, now here you will have an option of restricted mode. So if you have the restricted mode turned on, then it will help to hide the mature videos. So you just need to simply toggle off the restricted mode. Once you toggle it off, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you can remove the age restriction on YouTube app by changing your date of birth. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.